How to get GTA San Andreas on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get GTA San Andreas on your iPhone or any iOS device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you will need to open up your App Store. So open up your App Store, make sure that you're logged in into your account. After doing that, you'll need to head over to the search bar and then simply search for GTA San Andreas. And after you search for GTA San Andreas, you'll just get these options. This is the first one that we want to download. Tap on GTA San Andreas Netflix. Now this is by the Netflix, so you will need to have a Netflix membership so you can play this game. So this is the basic, the classic GTA San Andreas. So all you have to now do is tap on the get button and then tap on install. After you tap on install, it should start downloading, and then after it completes the download, you can play it. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.